How to fix TikTok unable to authorize? Please try again on iPhone. If you are facing the unable to authorize, please try again error on TikTok while using iOS 17 on your iPhone or iPad, then today we are here with a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. Firstly, ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one of it works. Then simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store in your iOS or Android and search for TikTok and ensure it is updated to the latest version because latest version often fixes the bugs, situation or problem on your TikToks. Now simply open the settings app on your mobile device, then tap on the general. Once you tap on the general, tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Inside iPhone storage, you will get to see the list of apps available. From there, tap on the TikTok and simply offload the TikTok app and reinstall it. It will clear all your TikTok cache. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.